Want to know how to turn Facebook into cash generating machine with Fiverr affiliate marketing? In this video, I'm revealing the exact strategy to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook, reach the right audience, and drive clicks that convert into commissions. If you are a beginner or you are already promoting your affiliate links on Facebook, this strategy is a game changer for you. This could skyrocket your affiliate earnings faster than you think. So let's get started and make sure to watch this video until the end so you can understand everything, okay? So this is my affiliate account dashboard, as you can see, guys, and in just 25 days I made $19,102 in commissions with Fiverr affiliate marketing. This video I'll share with you guys how you can promote your Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook. For people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start promoting affiliate links and making money, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one, okay? So what you need to do, it's super easy. Just go to Google and search for this website for Fiverr and click on the first link over here, okay? The sign up process is super easy. All you have to do, you just need to use your email address to sign up, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down like this, go to company and click here on affiliate, okay? You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website, you can get idea about how much you can earn with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. And you guys can go just to this website and just click here on join now, so you can create your affiliate account with Fiverr affiliate. And as you can see, guys, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate programs is super easy and simple. Just put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. And choose your country from here. So your location, it doesn't matter. So because you guys can start this business from anywhere, okay? You can start from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, India, and any country. And after you finish, you need to choose your language from here. And if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. You just need to answer next few questions and the sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate marketing, okay? You should see commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, and so on. What you need to do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable services that people will be interested to buy from you, okay? So what you need to do next, you need to go to Facebook. Go to Facebook, open your Facebook account and search for this keyword. Search for, go to the search. You guys all have Facebook account. Just open your Facebook account, go to the search for Twitch. You have here filters. Scroll down and click on groups. And here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups about Twitch, okay? So what we will do, we will use those groups to promote our Fiverr affiliate links to earn commissions. So for example, you just need to choose one of those groups. So for public groups, that's fine, guys. You can use those groups even if you didn't join those groups. And for private groups, you need to join those groups so you can use those groups to promote your services. So let's pick, for example, the first group. I will click on this one here. And here you go. You will be directly in this group. If you scroll down, and here you go. That's what I'm talking about. You will find here people who has Twitch accounts, Twitch channels, okay? Why they are posting their Twitch account here? Because they want to grow their Twitch account. They want to get more views and more followers. For example, like this person just posted this post yesterday, as you can see, and he got 100 followers in his Twitch channel, okay? And if we scroll down, we have more. And here is another one, just posted this Twitch account today. This one is interested to grow his Twitch channel. You see here, follow for follow. He wants to grow, he wants to get more followers. If we click on his Twitch account over here on his link, you will be directly in his Twitch channel here. Okay, so let me show you so you can understand and get a clear idea. Like this audience in this group, it's your audience that will be interested to buy this service that I will share with you, that you will start promoting to those. Okay, you see this, he has Twitch channel, you guys can see. So I will go back to Facebook, so just to show you. Okay, go back to Facebook. So which service this audience that has Twitch channels will be interested to buy? They will be interested to buy this service. Go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for Twitch viewers. Okay, search for Twitch viewers. They will be interested, this audience that I shared with you now will be interested to buy this service. Okay, and I have the proof. Don't worry, I'm gonna share with you everything. Search for Twitch viewers, scroll down, and here you go. You see, you have a lot of sellers here providing the service. What you need to do next is you need to choose good seller that provide good service for his customers and that will help those Twitch streamers or Twitch creators to grow their Twitch channels, to get more views, more followers, and grow. Okay, so how you can choose good sellers? Choose like level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, pro sellers, and sellers who has a lot of reviews, and sellers who has like I said, level 1, level 2, level. Yes, you can choose level 1, but for me I do suggest to choose level 2 and level and top rated sellers and pro sellers. So for example, I'm gonna choose one here. Let me see, like this one. You guys can see this one, over 1,000 reviews. This service starting from $10, which is good. And this one is level 2 seller. I will choose this one. And here you go. Just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. And this is the proof. You guys can see here 14 orders in queue. Do you see this? Over 1,000 reviews. Do you see here? People keep coming back, meaning that people keep buying this service again and again because this seller is providing good service for those Twitch streamers, okay? Which is good. So, which people will buy this service? Do you see here 14 orders in queue? So which people? Of course, this audience that has Twitch account, that this audience on YouTube, on Facebook groups, that posting here, posting on Facebook groups their Twitch channels because they want to grow their Twitch channels. They want to get more views and more subscribers and grow. Okay, you see here's another one. If we scroll down, here's another one. Okay, so. And this seller, this is the proof that it's already working and already people who has Twitch channels paying for this service. 14 order in queue. Okay, what you will do, pay close attention. Copy the link of this seller. Copy the link of this seller. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, report. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this link on Facebook. So let's go to Facebook. So you have two ways that you can use to promote this affiliate link. You can go back to this Facebook groups, the first page. You can click here on create, write something, and you can post here or post about this service that you are providing. Or you have another way that you guys can go and reach out to those people from here and explain to them your service that about Twitch viewers, Twitch promotion, okay, to grow their Twitch account. Okay, so first you need to create a good and professional friendly message that you can send to those people or that you can post here. So what you will do, you will use ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT here, open your ChatGPT account, click here and ask him create a professional message that I can send to Twitch, okay, to Twitch streamers, okay, to buy my Twitch promotion service, okay, from my website. And I will just click here, and ChatGPT will create a professional and good message that I can use to send to promote my affiliate link to those people who has Twitch channels. Okay, you see this? You guys can put your own message. I'm sharing with you the idea. You can use your own message if you want, or you can use this one also. You will get a good. You see this? I hope this message finds you well. I come across your Twitch channel and was impressed by your content. It's clear you are passionate about. You can put his niche here, okay, to show to him that you already checked his Twitch channel and you know what you are talking about and you know about this service. If you are looking to expand your audience and grow your Twitch community, I'd love to help. I offer a specialized Twitch promotion service designed to attract more viewers, increase your followers, boost engagement. And you will put your affiliate link here. Okay, you see, you have a professional and good message, and you already have your audience. You just need to start. You will need to copy this message. You can go back to Facebook, and you can click, for example, I will send this message to this person. I will click on message here, and I will put this message here like this. Let me show you. And here I need to put my affiliate link. Okay, so what I will do next, I will go back to Fiverr affiliates, to my Fiverr affiliates account. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you have new account, you can't see this option, Fiverr Stay PA, this one, Fiverr Stay PA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliates account. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro, Fiverr Marketplace new plan, or this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. It's almost the same. You just need to copy your affiliate link from here, and this affiliate link is too much long. You guys can go to Google and you just need to search for this website, free URL shortener, okay? And this website will make your affiliate link short link. You just put your affiliate link here and click on shorten, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be short link like this. So just copy your affiliate link from here, okay? Link copied, and go back to Facebook and put your affiliate link here. Paste, and here you go. So let me, okay, come across your channel. You are passionate about. You can put the niche of this one. For example, let me see this one. Yes, it's gaming niche. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this gaming. And here you go. You just need to click on send, and your message will be sent to this person who already has Twitch channel. You see this? Your message will be sent like this, a professional friendly message that you will use to provide those services as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. You see, if you don't want to reach out to those customers from here, that's fine. Okay, let me show you. Like I said, you can click here on write something, and you can go back to ChatGPT and ask him, can you turn this message into just give me, go back to ChatGPT and ask him, I want to use this message for Facebook post. Okay, and click ask him that you want to use this message for Facebook post, and he will create a good message that you can use for Facebook post. You see this? Hey Twitch streamers, if you are looking to expand your audience, increase followers and boost engagement, I can help. Okay, you can copy this message, okay, and you can go back to Facebook, to those groups, and click here on write something and post this message, and you can also add your affiliate link here, okay, but I don't suggest to add your affiliate link in those posts. Just make it like, if you want to learn more, feel free to DM me if you have any question, okay? And you don't need to put your affiliate link. So people who will reach out to you, then you can talk with those people. After that, then you can send your affiliate link to those people who are interested to grow their Twitch channels, okay? And that's it. This is exactly how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook. You have the audience that will be interested to buy this service from you. You have everything. You just need to start. It's so the, I shared with you guys everything. So you just need to go and market your services and provide those services to those people who has Twitch channels, and uh, create good and professional message using ChatGPT, and that's it. This is exactly how you can make your first commissions, okay? Just from those Facebook groups. And you have a lot of Facebook groups here. On Facebook, you have millions of Facebook groups about Twitch. You see this? We have a lot here that we can use. All this audience will be interested to buy this service from you, okay? You just need, it's all about marketing. It's all about how do you promote those services. And if you are serious about making money online through affiliate marketing, I want to personally invite you to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how I'm making over 15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing on platforms like YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram, and more. It's the exact system I use to generate consistent income, and I'm sharing all my secrets with you. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. This method that I shared with you guys, it's the method that I was using when I started this business. It's still working, of course, it's still working. You have your audience that will be interested to buy those services from you. You just need to promote them and do good marketing and convince those people to buy this service from you, and you can start making your first commissions with this method with free traffic. Thank you so much for watching. You have any question, leave it in the comments. You want to see more videos like this, like this video, and see you in my next videos.